If I've got excess of an ingredient, what do? I make soup. It's a roasted butternut squash soup. This one's beautiful.
Cut the butternut squash in half lengthways and scoop out the seeds. Place the squash halves on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and roast in a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 40 to 45 minutes or until the flesh is tender. Heat up a large saucepan, add 1 diced onion, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and a tablespoon of grated ginger. Add in your roasted squash, skin and all, with a litre of vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons of white miso paste, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Using our trusty Bosch Erga mix, I'm going to blitz it up into a smooth soup. Give it a taste before you serve and adjust the seasoning accordingly. And then top with some sliced spring onions and a drizzle of oil.
I do think it's a great formula. If in doubt, roast the vegetables, blitz up with some stock, and you will have a delightful soup of some assortment. Tomatoes, roast them, blitz them with stock. Beautiful. Parsnips, roast them, blitz them with stock. Stunning. And what's even better is that you can batch this and stick it in the freezer and it will freeze really well for a really long time. So when we hit January and you cannot be bothered to cook anymore, there you have it. You're welcome.